Hello, welcome back. This is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today, let's talk about rosemary and the health of our brain. So there are a long history. People has been using rosemary to help our the health in the brain. It has approved it help our to extend the memory function. And a recent study they found the chemicals within extracted from the rosemary, they help the brain become healthy to reduce or lower the chance of the brain losing its function of learning and the memory and prevent the damage of the brain cells. The two chemicals found quite helpful are the 1-acenal, it's also called eucalypto, and the second one is 𝐾𝐿 acid. So those two chemicals increase the memory function and prevent the damage of the brain cell because those chemicals are antioxidants, anti-inflammation, the benefits. In this video, I will show you 3 easy ways to use the rosemary in the daily life, and that can help protect our brain. Because 1-acenal and 𝐾𝐿 acid, they both chemicals has a very low solubility in water, but they can dissolve in oil. So this make it special, when we are using rosemary. The first way you can use rosemary during the cooking. So for example, making a steak, or you do the fry of the chicken, and then you just add a bit of oil and put the rosemary in, and then cook your meat, the steak or chicken. So that oil can help extract those chemicals from the rosemary leaf and then bring into our food. It not only brings the flavor of the rosemary, but also introduce those valuable chemicals. Those are helpful for our brain. The second is make the rosemary infusion with the oil, for example, like the olive oil. So it's pretty simple. You can just put the rosemary leaves. The dry one is the best. Don't use the fresh one when you are making the infusion, because the fresh rosemary can bring some bad bacteria into the oil, because the water in the oil will keep the bacteria alive. So that's not what we want. But when you're using the dry leaves, mix with the olive oil or jojoba oil or the grapeseed oil, the almond oil, those heat stable oil, and you can use ADI to make the infusion with the the rosemary leaf and oil. And you can use that oil for your cooking if you use olive oil, or use that for the face, face oil, the body oil, massage oil. That's a wonderful, not only help bring the health in our body, but also increase the health of our skin. So compare with infusion in the oil or the rosemary tea is okay, help us to take benefits. But because those two chemicals are not quite soluble in water, so the tea of the rosemary won't give us a lot of benefits on the brain health. So the rosemary infused oil will be the better option for this function. Then the third one is to make your rosemary hydrosol and essential oil. So the difference between the rosemary hydrosol and the tea, because it has a high temperature extraction, so it can extract those volatile compounds of those 1-acenal and 𝐾𝐿 acid, and those chemicals can be extracted out from the rosemary and go into its hydrosol. That's why we can make the cloudy hydrosol, the fresh made hydrosol can be cloudy from the rosemary, and those non-soluble 1-acenal and 𝐾𝐿 acid, they can disperse in the water and make it cloudy. And also you can make a rosemary essential oil, and then you can use essential oil diluted into a carrier oil for your regular use. So today's video talk about the 3 ways we can use regularly and benefit from the rosemary to improve our brain health. Hey, please share with us how you use rosemary and tell me the benefits you got from the rosemary. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member. This is Dr. Leo. See you next time.